Ko te tipu e mōhiotia nei ko te kōaka tētahi tipu mīharo tipu nui tai ore.
They say it's nature's most nutrient-dense seed, so it's got all your micronutrients you need, and then it's also a complete protein source, so it's got all 20 amino acids, as well as essential fatty acids, so omega-6, omega-3s, in sort of 3-to-1 ratio, so perfect for human health.
He uri a Brendan McIntosh no Puketeraki, he mātaka rokoa a e whakahaere ana ia I te pakihi plant-based New Zealand.
By trade, a Māori pharmacist, but have just started, a couple of years ago, started Plant-Based NZ as a sort of an umbrella company which uses hemp as its base for all its products. We've got a food company called The Brothers Green, skincare called kōaka, and clothing called Original Canvas.
Nā te horapa o te mate korona, kāre I te kaha te hokona mai o kā rawa me kā kai a McIntosh I roto I kātoa.
We've definitely noticed sales drop a lot with the lockdown, but we've seen an increase in sales online, which is a lot more, I guess, labour intensive, having to check the orders, pack the orders and get it out rather than doing bulk to the supermarkets.
Aha kua ka whakapātaritari o te wā, kai te ke pānuku tau a McIntosh rātou ko āhana kaimahi.
With sales dropping a lot, we're still needing to pay rent, and then the subsidy's going to finish soon. So we're sort of we're pretty excited by this new interest-free loan scheme from the government coming out next week.
Aha kua rehu tau ana te kite atu te āpōpō kai te mautau a McIntosh ki te tūmanako, he rā no kaitua e whitikina ai te kōaka nei e ka hihi o tamanui te rā. He nare te ai ka puanaki, Tahu News.